Hey there, having trouble with the speaker icon grayed out during calls on your iPhone? It can be super frustrating when you need to use the speakerphone. Don't worry though, we've got you covered. Let's walk through some easy steps to get that speaker icon working again. Solution 1. Check accessibility settings. Start by opening the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Find and tap on Touch. Scroll down and select Call Audio Routing. Make sure speaker is chosen. Next, try restarting your iPhone with a simple restart. After that, check to see if the speaker icon issue is resolved. If it's still not working, follow the next steps. Solution 2. Check for iOS update. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap Software Update. If there's an update available, tap Download and Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your iPhone. After updating, check if the speaker icon is no longer grayed out. Solution 3. Turn off restrictions. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Next, scroll down again and select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now toggle off this feature. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap on Reset. Choose Reset all settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. This will reset your settings to the defaults but won't delete your data. Check if the speaker icon is working correctly during calls. And that's it! You should now be able to fix the issue with the grayed out speaker icon on your iPhone. If you have any questions or need further help, drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips.